Yeah, yeah, this shit hard. Yeah, let's go. What's going on, traders? It's your boy Nate Barnes here at the Forex University, and in this video you're going to learn 3 techniques that elevated my day trading game to get to the next level. If you don't know me, I've been trading for about 3.5 years. I took a lot of L's, I won money, I lost money, I blew a lot of accounts. So this channel was literally just me documenting my story, my day trading journey, so I can actually share with you not only the wins but also the losses, right? I took a lot of courses, wasted some money here, got some value there, and I still struggled for about 2.5 years, right? But now that I'm consistent, I wanna just share this with you because it's not only great for me to, just communicate with other day traders, but it's also something that I can actually give back now that I'm staying profitable and consistent. So go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and support your boy. Number one of the things that I was doing was I was actually over-analyzing everything. I was over-trading, I was marking up every single chart, and I was doing it way too much, right? And what happened was my brain started getting overstimulated because what happens is, day trading is literally, it's addicting if you like it. Would you agree? And what happened to me was I was literally overdriving my brain, right? There's dopamine in our brains that's literally the motivation factor. That's the drive, right? That's the analytical. That's gonna keep you awake at night when you're on these charts. And what happens is when you have a ton of dopamine in your brain, it can actually throw off your whole analytical process because you can get more aggressive, you have more testosterone in your system, you can lose sleep, and that's gonna throw you off of the objective plan, which is having accurate trades, staying consistent. So one of the things that I would recommend is mark up your charts 1 or 2 times a week, right? Don't remodify your chart markups, don't edit them, don't add these, don't add that. If you have a clean chart markup, leave it as is and don't look at it for the rest of the week. That's it. It's not only going to help your dopamine, right, which is a hormone or a chemical in your brain that keeps you wired to these charts, but you're going to be able to rest, you're going to be able to be more balanced, and you're actually going to be able to make better decisions when you're making your trades and executing trades. The second thing that helped me improve my day trading game was risk management. And this actually ties into the first thing. So when I'm on these charts and I'm marking everything up, I'm excited, I'm making money, I'm seeing positives, I'm seeing negatives, and that's that dopamine factor again, right? And so what happens is when I got like a couple of trades that I would win, that dopamine factor makes me more aggressive and I get more emotional, I get more confident, right? And then I start getting really risky with my trades and I start over leveraging my executions, and I actually start losing my skill set, which is practicing proper risk management, practicing staying off the charts, and literally just trusting my chart markups, right? And so what I would recommend is once you get into a good flow, really pay attention to your risk management. 1 to 2% per trade is literally what I do now because I notice that every time I start winning, I get flooded with this winning emotion, right? Dopamine, and it's literally going to help you and prevent you from over trading and getting too aggressive in the future. That's really one of the most important things that actually changed my day trading game and getting me to the next level, because I was overly emotional. I was so happy when I won a trade. I was so sad when I lost a trade. And all of those emotions have to do with our hormones and the biochemistry within us. So really pay attention to how you feel when you're actually making your next trade. Number 3, this is actually the most important thing. So a lot of new traders, including myself when I was new, I would actually put a dollar figure on my goal and say, all right, I got $10,000 in my trading account. I want to flip it to $20,000 in 1 month, right? And I have a ton of people that are asking me the same thing now. And what I realized is that's actually the worst thing to do. What you want to do is you want to literally increase your account by a percentage amount, right? So if you have $10,000 or $100 or $1,000, what is your percentage increase? Because that's going to determine if you're going to be successful in the future. Okay, so $20,000, right? 10,000 to 20, right? That's gambling. If you're trying to increase your account by 10% in a month, right? Now you actually have a game plan because you know exactly what your risk management should be in that time frame. So, you know, if you want to be realistic, do not put a dollar amount on your goals, right? Do a percentage amount and then tie that into your proper risk management. Typically it's 1 to 2% per trade. If you're doing a little bit more than that, 3 to 4%, you're going to be in an aggressive arena, right? So just hindsight, right? Anybody that's trying to flip their account in a week, you know, doing 10% leverage on one trade, right? Risking 10% on one trade, you're gambling. Like, let's just be honest. So 1 to 2% risk on each trade, and then put a percentage amount that you want to gain versus a dollar amount, and it's going to help you stay focused. And that's about it. All right, so that wraps up this video. If you see value in this, go ahead and subscribe, smash that like button. If you want to join the free group, go ahead and go into the description below, click on the link, join the private group, and have fun trading with us.